This time in the cards, the Four of Clubs. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Town. I am your mayor, Danielle K. Anderson. Here we talk about spirituality, self-improvement, silliness, and stuff I like. Today we are continuing our look in Cartomancy with the Four of Clubs. As I mentioned in the previous video, fours represent stability. Clubs typically will represent the aspect of the mind. So your creativity, education, knowledge, these type of things, as well as work. So the Four of Clubs is called the balancer. It represents stability of the mind, contentment, using practicality in business decisions, general satisfaction. The flip side of this card is that as much creative energy there is, if it goes unhonored and unrespected, there can be equally as much impulsiveness. You feel restless, and sometimes unexpected events can happen. So make sure to honor your creative energy by reading a book, stimulate your mind with an art project, take a trip, have deep conversations with people, and this will keep you in the balance that you need. That's all for the Four Clubs. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if so. Thank you so much for joining. We'll see you next time in the cards.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching. I appreciate you so much. Listen, if you liked what you saw today, make sure to hit that like button and comment down below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so that you can be made aware of every video that comes out.
Four of Clubs take two. Okay. It can lead to some. What is this? What is this? Come on, get it together. Get it together.